C, D, concentrate here, B, C, D, E, F, G, E, F, G. Yeah, this is the graph. Now everyone listen, you know to actual funda of, right, actual way of DFT already you know. Then writing these stories are become very easy, right? Let me write here. DFT you can start from anywhere. DFT of some vertex V1. And one more thing, before starting this algorithm, visited of every person 0 or not? Before starting this algorithm, visited of every person 0 or not? No one will give algorithm. In exam, no one will do. Everyone want meaning only. Everyone want meaning only. Everyone want meaning only. No one will ask you. Write the algorithm and all. No one will ask. But as a computer science student, lastly, you have to keep inside a computer. Lastly, you have to keep inside a computer. That is the reason. Lastly, coding also required. Right? No one will ask the coding. Everyone will ask meaning first. If you are okay with the meaning, last step is coding. Some people are doing coding first too. It is wrong. Without knowing meaning, what coding you will do? Coding is the last step. Coding is actually for computer. First try to you understand. Nah? You understand. Lastly, write the coding. Right? Don't do starting itself coding. First you understand the problem clearly. Then I think after everything is over, lastly you can go for coding. Can I help you now? Because of I want to visit every person one time. Visit of every person is 0. Let me write now. Visited array. Here also one visited array. Visited of every person is 0 initially. Visited of A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Everyone is 0 initially. Okay, fine. Now let me start now. Everyone listen. DFT of V1. First step. As soon as you enter inside, visited of V1 is equal to 1. First visit him. And print also. Printf V1. Whichever vertex you started first to, that person first make visited as that person as 1. And because of you are already visited, print him. That is fine. See the next story. For all W adjacent to V1. V1, whoever adjacent, find all the people. Right? Find all the people, do some story here. For all W adjacent to V1, right? Do one small story. What is that? Let's check. First one. If W is not visited, then DFT of W. End of this. I hope it will work. If anything not working, I will change it. Nothing there. I didn't buy hard code. I don't buy hard the code. If W is not visited, DFT of W. Now listen. Everyone see this diagram, see this code and talk one time. Everyone see this code one time. You talk. Can I help you now? BFT, DFT. In the BFT, how many loops are there? In the BFT, how many loops are there? In the BFT, how many loops are there? BFT, not this here, not this. So BFT, how many loops are there? Code also there. If you want, you can check. You can check if you want. See, code also there. See, there is a while loop. There is a while loop. There is a for loop. Here are 2 loops are there. But if you go to, this is the advantage. Online class advantage. This only. I can go to any slide. This is the online class advantage, right? But offline class, I cannot go because they are already removed. I used to face a lot of difficulty in the offline classes. because I want to show, I want to compare, but I cannot compare. I cannot compare. Now see here. Can you help me? Here how many loops? Here how many loops? Only one for loop. Some people are asking, sir, there are two loops, na? Here one loop. So here one loop, but remember, here one loop, one more loop is coming using recursion or not? DFT calling DFT. That is also loop. Recursion also loop. DFT calling DFT. Means you want to do, what is the meaning of DFT calling? Again, you have to start from starting. Again, you have to start from starting. Check. Oh, DFT calling again you have to execute the same code. So here also two loops are there, but one loop I written using recursion. But remember, for every recursion, non-recursion possible. For every non-recursion also recursion possible. If anyone asks me, can you write the non-recursive program? I can write. The only thing is sometime it will take. Recursive programs are easy to write. Non-recursive programs are little bit difficult to write. But for every recursion, non-recursion possible. For every non-recursion also, recursion is possible. Right? Now observe. Now observe properly. And one more thing here. Listen, one more thing here. Are you making at any way, as soon as you will visit, are you making one? As soon as you visit, are you making one? As soon as you visit, are you making one or not? If you don't keep that marker, same person will visit many times. If you don't keep that marker, same person will visit many times. Right? So that marker required. And one more important thing, if you can remove this line, listen, if you can remove this over, it will go to infinite loop. If you can remove this, it will go to infinite loop. It will go to infinite loop. Because there is no marker here. Then how to check? W is not visited. Everyone is initially not visited. Everyone is initially not visited. So not visited. Then again you will call. Again same story. Right? Please careful. So this is the major line. He is the one who will block most of the time. Right? I'm starting one time. It is better to explain one time clearly. I'm explaining so that any problem you can handle. So let me execute one time. Everyone, you know the actual DFT behavior, you know very well. It's better to write code I written. So I'm starting. Assume that V1 is A. Assume. So see the first step now. DFT of A. Everyone have to observe. If anyone don't know how the recursive program is running, right? But right? Listen everyone now. Right? Those people who completed algo, not completed, doesn't matter. Everywhere same only. Right? See, those people who don't know how the recursive program is running, now I am going to execute one time. Can you see this one? DFT of A. DFT of A. In the place of V1, A there. Everyone observe. DFT of A started. See this one. Let me give number. Major people I am giving number. I may not give number to everyone. Major people I am giving 3, 4, 5. Let us assume. Remember, third statement true, then only 4, 5. Third statement is failed. I cannot do 4, 5. 3 true for a W adjacent to V1, right? Then you have to do 4 and 5. 3 contain 4 and 5. 3 contain 4 and 5. Whenever you say 3 over, inside I may not go. Right? Now let me start. Can you help me? First step. Everyone listen. DFT of A. First step. Widget of A is equal to 1. Okay. Second step. Careful. Second step. Printf A. Print. Second step also over. Can you see the third step? Carefully see the third step. Third step internally contain 4 and 5. Can you see? Third step. How many people will go? For all W adjacent to V1. What is the V1? A. Can you say adjacent to A? Who are those? For all W adjacent to A. Who are those? BCD. W is BCD. W sometimes B, sometimes C, sometimes D. Take the W as B. Continue. Right? Take the first W as B. Continue. What is the fourth step? See everyone now. W contain. So third step contain. right? Third one, for loop should repeat 3 times. B, C, D 3 times. In that, take the W as this person, continue. 4, 5. What are the 4? W is B. See the fourth step. B is not visited. Yes, not visited. B is not visited. So not visited. True. B is not visited. True. Correct. Next one. What is the answer? Because of not visited, whatever you done for A, do for his children's also by taking one of the person. B not visited. Now call DFT of B. Now call DFT of B. Again, same story will happen. DFT of B called because of he is not visited. Now it is a very, very interesting answer. Very, very interesting answer. A adjacent, how many people? Very, very interesting answer. A adjacent is how many people? A adjacent is how many people? Please help me. How many people? BCD. A adjacent is BCD. A adjacent is how many people? BCD. Listen, A adjacent is BCD, but he is not taken all. One person is taken, he went further. These two people are waiting in the stack. A stack, these people are waiting. See, in the A stack, remaining people are waiting. In the A stack, remaining people are waiting. So see this one. A adjacent is BCD, right? A adjacent is BCD. By taking B, he went further. CD is waiting. CD is waiting in the stack. Are you getting? CD is waiting in the stack. So A adjacent is 3 people. Sir, some people are asking, sir, A adjacent is 3 people. Why are you calling only one person, sir? Sir, A adjacent is BCD. You called only DFT of B. You could have called all, na? If you call all, that is called BFT. A adjacent is 3 people. If you call all 3, BFT of B, BFT of C, BFT of D. If you call all three if you call, that is called BFT. If you call only one person, that is called DFT. You may say that, sir, what about other people? Other people are waiting in the stack. See, my siblings are, everyone listen, my siblings are 3. So I will talk with one sibling. Remaining people are waiting. Right? Remaining 2 siblings are waiting. See, A adjacent contain 3 people, B, C, D. Because you cannot do all the people at a time. One person is taken, he is moving forward. Remaining people are waiting in the stack. Can you help me now? You got 3 jobs. Can you join all the jobs? You got 3 jobs. Can you join all the jobs? You got 3 jobs. Can you join all the jobs? Nowadays, people are doing because of work from home. Because of work from home, people are doing multiple jobs also. Because of work from home, people are doing multiple jobs also. Maybe health may be spoiled. If they want to do, they can do. Without affecting the existing company, whatever company you are there, without affecting, if you want, you can do. Because right, the only thing is, it may affect your performance. That is the reason companies are giving different offers. Indirectly, they are tempting the people. If you don't come to the office, you don't get the increments. You can work from home, there is no problem, but we don't consider you for increment. We don't consider you for increment. Indirectly, they are saying, come to office. If you say come to office, it will become a, right, people will criticize. How can you ask like this? But they are indirectly asking, right, come to the office if you want increment. Right? If anyone do multiple jobs, that is your wish, right? But you have to do more work. Health unnecessarily will spoil. Right? But some people who are really needed, maybe they are doing also. So I don't have any argument on that. Now come here. What the DFT saying is, A adjacent is 3 people. I will take only one. Remaining people are waiting in the stack. Be careful. Now I took one of the person B. I started. Listen everyone. Everyone listen. Right? Whatever you done for A, same thing for B also. Let's start. See this. Whatever you done for A, same thing for, right? Each children's one of the child B. See this one. First A. A adjacent is BCD. Take B and move forward. I am at B now. Now come to the B story. Again same. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3. If the 3 true, 4, 5. Right? See this one. First step. Widget of B is equal to 1. Okay. Second step. Print B. Okay. Okay, printing also over. Now see the third one. Now see the third one. Can you help? For all W adjacent to B, who are those? For all W adjacent to B. Recursion means that is the meaning. Same story for the one more person. Loop and recursion same. Previously for A I tried. Now I will try for B. For all W adjacent to B. Who is the B adjacent? Can you see the graph? One time you have to listen how it is working. One time you see. You know BFT very well. No one will ask you also like this, but it is better to know. It is better to know. It is better to know. Can you say who is the B adjacent in the graph? Can you see the graph and talk? Can you see the graph and talk? Who is the B adjacent? Say all the people. Don't worry, they are completed or not. Algorithm will take. Algorithm will take. Who is the B adjacent? B adjacent is A. A. B adjacent is A and E. Can you say what is the first W? A. Can you say what is the first W? First W is A. B adjacent is AE. First W is A. First W A. So take the A start. Take the A start. Can you help me now? A not visited. First W is A. A not visited. A is not visited. Already visited. Am I right or not? First W is A. A is already visited. If already visited, see. W is not visited. No, visited. So it is failed. Fourth one failed. Then take the next one. I think 2 W's you have. First W over. Let's go to second W. Next one. E not visited. That is the reason it is a for loop. That for loop should repeat 2 times. That for loop should repeat 2 times. First time is over. A not visited, no visited. E not visited, yes, it is not visited. Now call DFT. DFT of E called. Because I find out someone who is not visited. DFT of E. Now let me check. B adjacent is AE. AE. A is already visited. So now E you have to take. E purpose you are going. E purpose you are going. Now you are at E. Again same story. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see the 1? Visited of E is equal to 1. Visited of E is equal to 1. Like this. Visited of E is equal to 1. Okay. Next one. Print E. Print. But do you believe or not? Everyone, whoever is watching this, are you identifying or not? See one. First A came. Next one, A adjacent 3 people. 1 person take. B came. Next one, B adjacent is so many people. Take 1 person, come see. Like that is going. Everywhere 1 take, go. Everywhere take 1 go. Very simple. Maybe implementation look like a little bit difficult, but doing is very easy. Everywhere 1. Everywhere 1. Everywhere 1. If you do like this, life is so interesting. Don't do multiple things. Don't do multiple things. Anything you are doing, do properly. You went to movie. Think about movie only. Like this. You went to movie. Think about movie. Oh, what is the next step? What is the next? Think about movie only, yeah. You went to movie, enjoy the movie. Some people will go to movie. Movie they will see. Cell phone also they will see. Movie they will see. Cell phone also they will see. Then why you went to movie? Do like this. Do DFT. Whatever you are doing, do deeply. Do deeply. If hero is dancing, you also dance. Hero is dancing, you also dance, yeah. If heroine is proposing, you also propose. Whatever happened. Get scolded. What you can do? Whatever is going on, do that. Hero is dancing, you also dance. So do DFT. Do DFT, man. Don't do. Some people are very scary in the movie theater. What they will do is they are watching movie. Phone. Hello. So they will talk. Then when you went to movie, yeah, you could have talk in the phone without going to movie. Who asked you to go to movie? So just to do DFT everywhere, one work only. Everywhere one work. If you go to house, I seen some people, they went to house. They don't lift phone at all. They went to house. They don't lift phone at all because house is house. That is called DFT. House is house. Only housework. Some people, they will go to house. They will say, they will talk about office. Mama is saying, come to food. Office work. How can you call me? Office work. Then why you came to house? Then why you came to house? Papa is calling. You will say, office work. Then why you came to house? Yeah, you could have stayed in the office only. The people who are going to the office or college, do college work college. Do office work office. Why don't you do DFT? Do DFT. My request to everyone, through experience I'm saying, please do DFT. Don't do multiple things. Some people are driving car. They will speak in the phone. Mama, I'm coming. Mama, I'm coming, mama. I'm coming. Driving also going on. Come, mama, I'm coming. Son is not came. He said to mama, mama, I'm coming, mama. Papa, I'm coming. Yeah, we'll celebrate, papa. We'll coming. He's driving also. But son is not came. Daughter is not came. They are waiting. They are waiting because papa, right? Son is done two things at a time. Gone. He's gone. God is taken. God is taken because you cannot do that. How can you do two? Yeah. Government people cannot punish every time. Every time they are not meant for you. Some people are following traffic rules only for traffic people. Only for traffic people, they are following the traffic rules. No, yeah. For your life you follow. You follow for your life. So my suggestion, because of opportunity came, I am saying to you, please do DFT. Strictly I am saying to you, please do DFT. Are you preparing for GATE? Just to do GATE. Are you preparing for placement? Just to do placement. Do one. Right? Because both are common things are there. Both are common things. That is the reason I combined two. Because same only. Same DSA there in both. Same data structure is there. Same algo there. Same aptitude there. Right? Same OS is there. Same DBMS there. That is the reason I kept. That is also DFT. Because of 90% common thing. Right? My suggestion to everyone, please stick to DFT. Do deeply. Going to movie, don't do two things. Right? Driving, don't do two things. Right? Fine. So as a student, study only. As a student, your goal is only studies. If you do multiple things, gone. If you do multiple things, gone. Careful. Now, I don't know why topic is deviated. Come back. Can you see the answer? I am at E now. First line. Widget of E is equal to 1. Done. E printed. None. Now can you help me know? Who is the E adjacent? As a student, only study. That is the meaning of what I am saying here. Don't do multiple things. Sir, I will do this nonsense. I will do X, I will do Y, I will do Z. As a student, just study. Then it will give very good returns. You can do multiple also, but returns may not come that much nicely. Right? Now see the third one. Now. What is the adjacent to E? Go ahead, finish it off. Who is the adjacent to E? Who is adjacent to E? Adjacent to E, BCG. Listen, BCG. Adjacent to E is BCG. You can write any order. Adjacent to E is BCG. Any order you can write. I am writing B, G, C. Any order you can write, no problem. Adjacent to E is BCG. Any order you written. So I written that BCG. Can you help me now? Now I am starting. Is B already completed? So leave it. Next one, G already completed. Widget of G is equal to 0, not completed. So G not widget, right? G not completed. Okay. Then call the G. Now can anyone help you now? When you call the G, who is feeling bad? When you call G, who is feeling bad? C feeling bad or not? Because only one person he can take. B, C, G. I think G called. I think C is waiting or not? C is feeling bad, it's okay. But he's waiting or not? He's waiting. Where he is waiting? I want answer from you. Where E is waiting? E adjacent is BCZ. B completed, leave it. G not completed, so I called G. Can you help me? Where C waiting? Where C waiting? Yeah. C waiting in the stack. Some people are asking, C waiting in the stack. How, sir? Sir, Y is waiting, sir. After completion of the G purpose, you are going outside. After completion of G, you may do C also. He is thinking that my turn also will come, waiting. Now, can anyone help you now? Can anyone help you now? How many stack units still now? On the right on board, if you observe, how many stack units you have? Can you check? How many stack units you have? As of now. As of now on the board, how many stack units? A purpose 1 unit. Everything is 1 stack unit. Remember, this is A purpose. This is B purpose. All are there in the stack. This is E purpose. This is G purpose as of now. Can you help me now? Can you help me now? In the stack, first unit, whose information there? In the stack, first unit, whose information there? In the stack, first unit, whose information there? A information. A function call, A information, because A knows who are is adjacent. All information about A. Remember, 1 stack unit. Listen, 1 stack unit size is not 1. It may be 10 bytes, depending upon what you want to remember. It may be 2 10 bytes. 1 unit size may be 2 10 bytes because you want to store maybe more data. You want to maybe store more data. Right? This may be right. Maybe some constant space. Maybe 10 bytes, maybe 20 bytes. Some constant. So please careful. So A information, B information, E information, G information, something like that. E knows very well who are is adjacent. B also knows who are is adjacent. E also know who are is adjacent. All are waiting in the stack. Don't worry. All are waiting in the stack. Right? Remember, right? Every stack unit having some space. Maybe some constants, 10 bytes maybe, 20 bytes maybe. So I think every stack unit size is constant. Like that, how many stack units? Now listen. So everyone listen. Very important question. Very important question. Very important question. Out of all these people, who called last? Out of these many, 4 people are called till now, okay. But who called last till now? 4 people are called. I am very happy. But who called last? Remember, that is the reason. This is called stack. Why? Whoever called late, he will be done first. See, now G going on. Can you help me now? A is waiting or A completed? A called first. I am very happy. A called first too, but he is waiting. He is not completed. The problem with the stack is the person who called first to, he will complete last. The person who called first to, he will complete last. The person who called last to, he will complete first. First person will complete last to, last person will complete first. That is the reason it is called stack. But if you see the previous algorithm, Q, whoever went inside first to is coming outside first. But here, whoever went inside first to, he will come last to. If you want, you can verify. So A came first, but is waiting. A saying that my work is still not over, I am waiting. B also saying, E also saying. Now G running, right? Remember, always last person will run first. So G is the last person. Now he is running. Now do the same story. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't worry about the time. I will take care. See the first step. Widget of G is equal to 1. Okay. Print it. Okay. See this one. After E, you came to G. Some people are asking, sir, it look like time consuming. No time consuming, nothing. If you want only output, easily I can do. After this problem is over, we will go to the output also. Don't worry. This is only for understanding what is going on inside. Otherwise, if I don't say, somewhere you will study, you feel that major things are not done. Nothing there here. One time observation. 1, 2. Next one, can you see the 3? For all W adjacent to G. Can you see who's the G adjacent? Can you see the graph? G adjacent, whoever there, any order you can write. G adjacent EF, right? EF. G adjacent is EF, write EF. Now see the E. Take the E. E not completed. E already completed. So cancel it. F not completed. F not completed. Widget of F is 0. Yeah, not completed. Then call DFT of F. Then call DFT of, see, all are waiting. Because to do this work, some other work required. DFT of F. So here F also called. Like this, all the people are calling. F also called. Now let's come back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, fine, perfect. So I am at F now. I am at F now. Can you see the first stage? Widget of F is equal to 1. Okay. F printed. It's okay. Next one. What is that? What is the W? What is the W of F? Everywhere take 1, 1 and move forward. Nothing here. Nothing here. Everywhere take 1, 1 and move forward. Everywhere take 1, 1 and move forward. Lack of space. I am eliminating unnecessary things. Right, now start now. Everywhere take 1, 1. It's a very simple story. It look like complex, very easy. Comparing BFT, DFT, so easy. Taking 1, 1 and going, 1, 1 and going, 1, 1 and going. It is a normal, our daily life is this only. Normal life is DFT only. Everywhere we will do 1, 1. Can you help you know? What is the W of F? Adjacent to F. Adjacent to F. Let me write all of them. G, G, D, 3 people. Now see the first one. G already visited. G already visited. G already visited. Can you help me now? G already visited. If you want, you can see in the visited array. If you want, you can see in the visited array. Is already visited. F adjacent is GDC. GDC. Any order I can write, so I written G. G already visited. Yes. Leave it. Okay, next one. D already visited. No. No. D is not visited. Then what is the answer? DFT of D. Lack of space. I'm writing. DFT of D. Yeah. DFT of D. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over. Almost over. First one. Right? Widget of D is equal to 1. Second one. Print D. Third one. For all W. Now see the answer. For all W adjacent to D. Who is the adjacent to? Very interesting. Very interesting. Everyone see. Very interesting. Everyone see. Bhaiya. See everyone. Bhaiya. See everyone. Who is the D adjacent? Who is the D adjacent? Yeah. D adjacent AF. AF. Is A already visited? Is A already visited? Yes. F already visited? Yes. Can you help me now? Because of all are visited, third statement completed or not? Means for loop is over or not? All are completed. See, until now, for loop is not over to anyone. If you want, you can see the A function call. A function call, third statement means for loop. For loop is not over. Little bit only over. Remaining third loop, right? In the first time, for loop should repeat 3 times. Only first time only went outside. In the second one, B function, for loop should execute 2 times. Second time you went outside. Until now, it is not done. Now, first time for loop is successfully completed. Can you help me now? In the program, for loop is over. See this one? 1 over, 2 over, 3 over. 3 over means inside people also over. 3 over means 4, 5 over. So 3 over, you will come to the out of the function. What is the answer? Remember, because of 3 over, this function successfully completed. Remember, completed means pop operation. Can anyone help you now? Function call, push operation, function over, pop operation. Am I right or wrong? Function call, push operation, function is over, pop operation. Am I right or not? Pop operation is nothing but backtrack. Pop operation is nothing but backtrack. You are going back. When you pop, you will see the previous thing. Can you help you now? As of now, top of the stack D there. Whenever D popped out, who is there in the stack? Who is the top of the stack? Initially A there, next B came, next E came, next G came, next F came, next D came. When you pop D, right? When you pop D, you will go back. What does it mean? You are there in the F. Can you help me? You came to F back or not? You came to F back or not? So previously you were in the F calling D because of D over. Pop. Pop means you came back to F. Can you see in the F any work left out? In the F, now D completed happily. Now D purpose you went outside. Now D completed happily. What is the next? C. D completed, see this one. This loop is 3 times. This loop is 3 times. Right? Can you help me? Who is the F adjacent? C, D, G. G over, D over. Now C there. See this one. That is the reason C is waiting. That is the reason C is now call C. Now let me ask now. C is widgeted? No. Waiting person came now. After D over, now C come into the picture. Now C is asking, is it in the widgeted list? No. Then happily call. Now DFT of C called. DFT of C called. But remember one interesting thing, right? D also called from F only. C also called from F only because in the F for loop there are 2 people. D also, C also. D also not widgeted. You widgeted, and because of lack of opportunity, D came back. Now F, C also not widgeted. Now widgeting now. See the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now see the answer. I think from now onwards you will easily get everything. Right? Almost the story is completed. Can you listen one time? DFT of C, first step. Widget of C is equal to 1. Print it. Okay, print it. Now can help me. Who is the C adjacent? Who is the C adjacent? C adjacent. They are over or not over, doesn't matter. C adjacent is A, E, F. Let me write. A, E, F. Everyone observe. Everyone observe. A, E, F. Is A over already? See the widgeted array. Yes. E over already? See widgeted array. Yes. F over already? See widgeted array. Yes. Can I help you now? In the third statement, all are over means for loop over. When you say for loop is over, what meaning third statement over means? See, third statement internal people. If third is over, internal people also over. That means this function is successfully completed. This is over means pop. You will go back to parent. Again you go back to F. Again you go back to F. Now I will give some rough diagram. Can I help you now? First to A. A called B. Everyone listen. B called E. Remaining people are waiting in the stack. Don't worry. Next one. E called G. G called F. Everyone observe. G called F. Can anyone help you know? F called first to whom? D. Okay. F called next to whom? C. Am I right? F called first D. Work is over. E came back. F called next C. Right? C also over. C also over. Right? E came back. I just want to say one thing. Listen. This much nice story there inside. If you don't have, right? If you don't have the experience of this, how can you handle? Yeah. How can you do this? Right? How can you do this? You only say this. Inside, how can you teach? Just reading the program. Some people in the YouTube I used to see, kids are teaching, yeah, kids taking the program and reading. Taking the program and reading. DSA, they will keep the name as DSA, taking the program and reading. Just reading, bus. Bus karo, bhaiya, bus karo. Just reading, writing the right program already there. Program already there, keep on reading. One line they will read. Okay, fine. That is not my business. Come back. Come back now. Can you help me now? D over, C over. Now it's a very, very interesting line. Because of it is over, you will go back. Careful, you will go back. Now C also over. Can anyone help you now? F function for loop is over. Now F function for loop is over. F function for loop 2 times called. First time D called, next time C called. Now I think F function for loop also over. That means what is the answer? F is completed. When you say F completed, can I help you now? In the G function, everyone listen. F completed means what? You will go to his parent. His parent is G. Can you see in the G function, F purpose you came. After F, anything there? No. F purpose you went outside. F is over. Anything there? No. That means this for loop is over. That means G over. Means pop. Then you will go to his parent. See, you went from here to here. G now. First, this is over, you called parent. Parent called you. This is also over, you called parent. Further not there, you will call his parent. Which calling parent means pop. Calling child is nothing but push. Calling parent is pop. Now I am at G now. Can you help me now? So G completed, then go to E. I am at E now. Can you help me now? In the E, everyone observe. Everyone observe. In the E, for loop if you see. For loop if you see. See this one. G purpose you went outside. G purpose you went outside. G over. Can anyone help you now? What is the left out part? In the E function, G purpose you went outside. Can you say what is the left out person? What is the left out person? Oh, sir on camera. Okay. 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 Right. Can you help me now? Can you help me now? So in the E function, can you see this one? What about C? In the E function, C left out or not? Please give answer to me. In the E, G purpose you went outside. Okay, outside work is over. You came back. Now C there or not? Interesting answer. C there or not? Yeah. C is keep on waiting. C is keep on waiting. Actually, initially, E having options G also, C also. Initially, E having option, you can take G also, you can take C also. But whom you are taken? G first. You are taken G first, you went outside. But when you come back, C may say that just get out. Just get out. Initially, E having 2 options, G also, C also. Initially, E having 2 options, G also, C also. 2 people. Initially to Ross, 2 people are proposed. G also, C also. But Ross eyes are closed. His eyes are closed. He went with G. 2 people proposed, right? But he went with G. C keep on saying, Ross, please select me. Ross, please select me. He said, get out. He went. Now see, some point of time, G said bye. To Ross, G said bye. Now he came back and he's saying, hello C, are you free? C is not free. C said, I am already covered. I already covered in the total Bollywood movies, this nonsense only going on. Total Bollywood movies, this nonsense only going on. Only this nonsense is going on. Just this nonsense going on. He kept in the stack. He said, I will come back. He or she, whatever it is. Okay, let's say in terms of she kept this person in the stack. Right? So that person is taken G. When that person is came back, this C saying that I am already covered. So what I mean to say is, you kept in the waiting doesn't mean that, right? He will wait for you, right? He will wait for you. Same thing, listen, same thing, one of my student life, it happened. I want to explain, right? Everyone listen this also. This also required in life. Everyone listen, one of my student life, it happened. Every day his papa is calling. Every day his papa is calling. Papa, papa, right? I will talk to you afterwards. Papa, I will talk to you afterwards. 10 days onwards, his papa calling. He's saying, I will talk to you, papa, afterwards. I will talk to you, papa, afterwards. He said like this. 11th day, papa not there. 11th day, papa not there. Papa is expired. That student is crying every day. He called me and he is crying every day. Sir, I could have listened my papa what he is saying. Sir, I could have listened what my papa is saying. I neglected, sir. 10 days I neglected. It is killing me every day. Every day it is killing me. Sir, I also want to die, sir. Don't give these kind of chances in your life. When mama calling, more than mama, what is important? Papa is calling, more than papa, what is important? Yeah. Papa, I am calling. I will call you afterwards. Cut the phone. Mama, please cut the phone. I will call you afterwards. Other than you, who will talk with them? Okay, you don't want to talk with mama, papa. Who will talk with them? Yeah. Neighbors will talk. Every time, what is this nonsense? Neighbors will say, what is this nonsense every time? You are the only person to whom they can call. If they don't call also, please you call. After everything is over, don't cry. Sir, I am earning now, right? I am earning 1 crore, sir. He got Google company, something like this. He studied so well, day and night, he got the Google company. Okay, you study. But mama, papa calling, he didn't lift phone. 10 days onwards, papa want to say one thing. You didn't listen. You didn't listen. If right, maybe you want to say you have some health issue. Maybe you want to say, beta, I am getting this problem. Can you take me to hospital? You didn't listen. Suddenly, right in the bed, he is dead. Then you realize, oh, right, when doctor verified, doctor said that because of this problem he is dead. So you could, if at all you come 1 hour before, we could have taken everything into consideration. So please don't give the chances. Please don't. When you come back, it may not be available. So other things don't think much, right? But more than parents, what is important? More than parents, see this one. So C is keep on waiting. When you come back, C is not available. Right? So same thing will happen in our lives also. Please don't give that chance. If anyone doing that mistake, please rectify. Please rectify that mistake. Mama calling, papa calling, any family member calling. Right? Please, more than family, what is required? You may say that, sir, I am not belongs to family. I am belongs to other people. When you don't protect your family, right? What you will protect others? Just they will say, just get out. Family you are not protecting. How you protect other people? Yeah, that is the minimum responsibility. You want to protect others, also protect. Protect first family, then others also. Are equally. That is also okay. Right? Now come back. Come back now. Come back now. So when I come back, C is already visited. Now listen. C already visited, cancel. Then E function, all the for loop is over. Then E popped out. Means E will go to his parent. His parent is B. Now listen. Now listen. In the B, A already completed. E purpose you went outside. Now E also over. That means 3 over. That means B completed. Then go to his parent. His parent A. Now see the beauty. Now see the beauty. A having 3. By taking B, you went outside. Now B over. See the answer. Now B over. Now ask C. What the C said? I already covered. What D say? I already covered. I already covered. So 3 over. 3 over means, right? So this will also pop out. Can anyone help me? Who is the last person popped out? Who is the last person popped out? What is the answer? Who called first? The person who called first, right? He will complete last. The person who called first, he will complete last. I think you got some idea. See this one. If you want only output, I will give. Don't worry. If you want only output, I will give. Don't worry at all. So this is the output. Just understand what is the stack behavior. Some people are waiting in the right. After coming back, you complete. After coming back, if they didn't complete, complete. If they are already completed, it's okay. Because your goal is covering all the people. Your goal is covering all the people. And one more beauty. This is called DFT tree. This is called DFT tree. And one more interesting answer. Listen, one more interesting answer. Why it became a leaf node? Listen, why it became a leaf node is at this place you done backtrack. Why it became a leaf node means at that place you done backtrack because no other opportunity you backtrack. At the D, no other opportunity you backtracked. You want to go further, but no opportunity. You backtracked. Now it's the correct time to ask you. Listen, backtrack means pop operation. Backtrack means pop operation or not? No opportunity, backtrack. Going back is called as backtrack, which is also called pop operation. Please help me one time. Please help me one time. How many push operations? Can you check? In the total story, how many push operations? Remember, every function call is a push operation. Every function call is a push operation. Can anyone help? How many push operations? First A pushed, next B pushed, next E pushed, next G, next F, next D, next C. How many push operations? Remember, how many vertices are there? Those many push. How many vertices are there? Those many push. How many vertices are there? Those many push operations. Now it's the correct time to ask you. Can you guess how many pop operations? Can you guess how many pop operations? I want answer from everyone. How many pop? Remember, how many push there? Those many pop. Without pushing, how can you pop? Without push, how can you pop? Yeah. How many push operations? Those many pop. 7 push operations, guarantee 7 pop operations. 7 push operations, guarantee 7 pop operations. Pop operation, another name is backtrack. Can anyone help me? If I ask you how many backtrack, what do you say? If I ask you how many backtrack, I said to you backtrack means pop. I said to you backtrack means pop. I said to you backtrack means pop. Right? Number of push equal to number of pop, which is equal to number of backtracks. Don't say backtracks are 2. Don't say this. Now, those people who are observing properly, can you see the diagram and talk? See that yellow color diagram, whatever I written. Yellow color diagram, whatever I written. Can you help me now? In that diagram, please give answer. In that diagram, who is pushed first? 2 yellow color diagram. This is also diagram. If you think it is also a diagram, this is also a diagram. The only thing is, in terms of functions, they are available. This is also diagram. Don't worry. Both are same. This diagram equal to this diagram. Both are same. Now, see the diagram and talk. Can you help me know? Who is push first? Start. Can you say one by one now? Who is the first push? Who is first push? I am expecting answer. Who is first push? Everyone respond one time. Who is first push? Push A. Next one. Push B. Push E. Push G. Push G. Next one. Push F. Push D. After F, D. After D, C. Now listen everyone. Can you help me now? Can you say pops one time? Push operations, you are happy. I am perfect. Can you say pop operations? Say, what is the first pop? You know very well. Last person will pop first. Can you say what is the pop? Pop D. First pop D, not C. Array, first pop D. Next pop C. First to D, next to C, next to F. First to D. Can you say the sequence? Type in one line only. Type in one line. What is the first pop, second pop, third pop, and so on. Type in one line only, everyone. Type in one line only. You people are going to get a very good rank. Follow the procedure what we are doing. Completed subject, write test every day. Completed test too. Right? Completed subjects too. Write the test too. Every weekend you write. Completed subjects too. Write the test every weekend. Every weekend write. If you do that, you are going to get all ranks we only will get. Trust me, next year all will be here only. Trust me, all will be here only next year. Please follow this procedure. So can I help you now? So I think first D, first pop D, next pop C, next pop F, next pop G, next pop E, next pop B, next pop A. Last pop is first push. Last pop is first push. This is the DFT trees. DFT trees are normally more height because everywhere you will take 1, 1. See, everywhere 1, 1, everywhere 1, 1, everywhere 1, 1. It is very rare incident you will get a nice tree. Right? In the case of the DFT, you may get a straight line. See, almost straight line is coming. Because his goal is not breadth, his goal is depth. His goal is depth. That is the reason he will get the straight line. But in the BFT, you will get almost like a binary tree, sometimes ternary tree, something like that you will get. But here, most of the time you will get the straight line. Sometimes maybe both the heights are the same, depending upon graph, sometimes. But mostly this person is more height. But remember, he will also cover every vertex. BFT also will cover every vertex. Can anyone help you now? Can anyone help you now? Everyone listen. Everyone listen. Who is the last push? Very, very interesting answer. Who is the last push? Who is the last push? See, immediately will pop also. Immediately, the last person will be popped immediately. See. D, afterwards no one, immediately pop. C, afterwards no one, immediately pop. Can I help you now? Who is the first person push? First push. A, he will be last pop. So stack behavior. Last person will be first to see. D will be last person. See this one. In this path. See this one. See the path. See the path. In this path. In this path. Last person D. So he will be popped first. Last push is this. He will be popped first. In this path. In this path. Last push is C. He will be popped first. Right? But common, these are common people. A, B, E, G, F are common people. But there are two paths are there. See, first person who pushed is A, he will be popular. This is the meaning of stack behavior. This is the meaning of stack behavior. Careful. So what I want to say, DFT uses stack. This is the meaning of stack behavior. Right? Last push is nothing but first pop. See, is the last push. Is the first pop. Again, in this path, is the last pop. Is the first push. Next one is the first push. It became last pop. So like that. We are using stack data structure. If you want only answer, many ways are there, I will take care. Next time, guarantee I will take care. So if you are okay, I don't know what is the time, let's check. Time is over? Time over? Yeah, fine. So tomorrow, as soon as we will start, I will give the all numerical examples. Tomorrow, mostly, we are going to finish it off this topic. Tomorrow, mostly, we are going to finish it off this topic. Right? This topic, I know, every time I am teaching, so 3 classes it will take. It will take 3 classes. Right? It will take 3 classes, it will take. Right? Next class, right? I think we will cover the remaining part also. It will be done. My sincere request to everyone, please start writing test. Otherwise, you don't know where you go wrong. Otherwise, you don't know where you go wrong. Okay, sure. Sure. Right? Maybe tomorrow you can see that. Right? Fine. Tomorrow you will see that. Now, if you are comfortable, right? You can inform to your friends, because just started now. You can inform to your friend. You are the correct people to inform, right? And I will share these notes also. Today also I will share these notes. I shared yesterday in your group. Yesterday in your group I shared. I will share this also. Right, perfect. DS has how much weightage? DS don't try for weightage, right? It is required everywhere, right? Algo DS don't try for marks. Algo DS don't try for marks, right? Get as maximum as possible, because it is required for everything. Everything it is required. It is required for everything. Everything required it is. One more thing. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah, I'm getting. I got. I also got. Yeah, fine. Yeah, I will see some other way. I will see some other way. Thank you. So please, right, be consistent. Be consistent. Every day do. Every day do. It will look like so difficult. Early morning woke up. But if you want good things, you have to do good things. You want good things. Please do good things. Right. Thank you. Thanks everyone. Bye bye. Bye bye. So I will complete syllabus. I am very sure June end, right? August ending or June ending, I will complete syllabus. August or June, I will complete syllabus. I am very sure. Either July ending or August ending, I will complete. I don't teach anything. After August, I don't teach anything. Only practice. Only practice I will do. Whoever will join after July, so after August, whoever will join, no live, only recording will be there. Because I don't teach unnecessarily, it's wasting their time. I will teach until August only. Until August, I will teach. It will start, right? You, whatever is going on, please do it. It will start. Anytime soon, all will start. Aptitude will start. Mathematics will start. OS will start. So I think how many months I have? April I have, May I have, June I have, July I have. I have 4 months. I will do all the pending things. Yes, it will be there. It is there. That is for revision purpose, not for the normal classes. They are the revision courses. Right, perfect. Thank you. Thanks everyone. Thank you so much. Thanks. Chalo. Bye bye. Bye everyone.